Hi folks, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2024 Prolite Profil. Got a 4-cylinder vehicle with only a 2,000 pound tow rate, got some kids, want to go camping, don't really want to set up a tent trailer? We've got an answer for you because this is a bunk model and it only weighs 1,590 pounds. That's right, you can tow this with those 2,000 pound tow rate vehicles, and it's got sleeping for 4. So on the outside, you've got this beautiful high gel coat fiberglass, which is one piece all the way from the front to the back, no seams. You've got frameless windows. You can see here you've got 2 little windows here for the bunks, comes with hot and cold water, and you've got this Fiamma high-end awning for putting out to get you that sunshade. Great on the outside, but let's check out the features inside. All right, I'm standing inside the 2024 Prolite Profil, only 1,590 pounds and sleeps 4. So check out, this is your sleeping area for the adults. You've got your queen size bed and it turns into a dinette. So during the day, 4 people can easily sit around this dinette, and then at night it turns into a nice comfortable bed with windows all the way around, 2-burner cooktop stove. You've got the 2-way fridge, which will work off gas or electric. You can see here you've got a microwave for quick cooking, comes equipped with a furnace, hot and cold water, water pump, decent counter space for a little trailer, lots and lots of storage cabinets for being able to store all the food for 4 people. And then check this out. You've got a washroom there that will act as a shower and a toilet. So you've got a place there to clean up those kids after a day of playing in the sand. And then over here, you've got bunk beds. That's right, in a little tiny trailer, 1,590 pounds, you've got 2 full-size bunks. And these bunks are nice, and that's a thick, firm mattress. So it's going to be comfortable for the kids. It's got charging places for all of their iPads and everything that kind of comes with kids these days. And just a great opportunity to get a small, lightweight, 1,590 pound trailer that actually sleeps 4 people comfortably. So come check it out at Campkins.com. This is the 2024 Prolite Profil, available at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So come on out. Help us help you make those RV dreams come true.